Hello everyone, I'm Audrita from 3rd BCom B. Now we will see that motivational theory. In first theory, Maslow hierarchy of needs theory. It have for 5 needs. First needs psychological needs. In psychological needs, first have for it will need for food, clothing, shelter. These are the primary or the basic needs of person that must be fulfilled. Then it also includes for food, clothing and shelter that are survival of the mankind. And second needs will safety needs. Safety needs are also called for security needs. That means protection against danger, threat, etc. As an employee want to contribute insurance or provident fund, etc., that protect his interest of particularly in his old age when he cannot work and earn. Then third theory, social needs. Then social needs, it will comes on belonging, acceptance, friendship, etc. At this stage, a person wants friendship, companionship, association, love and affection, particularly, etc. Then fourth one, esteem needs. Esteem needs is some people show that preference for luxury cars, expensive jewelers, and so on, just because they can afford, but it also due to for possessions of such goods satisfy them. Then final one, self accusation needs for self development. For example, a person want to perform its potential, and also a professor may become an author like us. Then second theory for hygiene theory, it have for two factors. First factors, motivate factor, and the second one, hygiene factor. The motivate factor undercomes head on achievement, recognitions, works itself, responsibility, advancement and personal growth. Then second factor, hygiene factor. Hygiene factor is for job dissatisfactions. Dissatisfactions will it's come under on working condition, co-workers relation, supervisor quality, policies and rules, base wages and salaries. These are the hygiene theory. Then third one, theory X and Y. MC or for X and Y theory. X theory is called as negative theory and Y theory is called as positive theory. Then attitude, both are different like us. We dislike in theory X, we dislike work, find it boring and will avoid it can. Then theory Y, we need to work and want to take an interest in it. Under the right conditions we can enjoy it. Then direction for X theory, we must be forced or to make right effect. In theory Y, we will direct ourselves towards a target that we accept. Then responsibility, in theory X, we could rather director that accept responsibility which we avoid. Then theory Y, we will seek and accept responsibility under right condition. Then motivations, in theory X, we are the motivate mainly by money and fears about their job security. Theory Y, under the right condition, we are motivated by the desire to realize our own potential. Then creativity. Theory X, most of us have little creativity, and theory Y, we are highly creative creatures. Thank you.